Welcome to our home for the night. We'll continue our lake tour tomorrow. We decided to go ahead and find a spot to park shortly after 2, so in between 2 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. As long as we stay in the orange boundaries, this little campsite is free. Just follow the rules. And we're beside a creek. No one's around. We just parked, so you're checking it out with me for the first time. We get to wake up to this. Up Mullen. For those who didn't see that article, I recommend you check it out, especially for winter. Mullen is great for respiratory infections, bronchitis, pneumonia. Well, well, this looks like the perfect Sunday afternoon. Get to wake up with my husband by the creek. More later.